Hey everybody, my name is Jeff. I'm a single dad from Michigan, and I started my keto journey about 2 years ago. I was slated for a bariatric surgery for the Rowan-Y procedure, and a few days before I decided to do some research on this keto phenomenon and give it a shot. So I canceled my surgery, and now you know, almost 2 years later, 148 pounds down. I've been doing this program for quite a while. I started the Team Keto program with the 15 days along with the supplements that Team Keto provides, and it's done me great. I am a combat veteran, and I do suffer some PTSD, and this keto diet and everything that's come along with it has helped me out tremendously. Again, I did the 15-day program that Team Keto provides, and I got 11 pounds off there, and now they've got the 6-week program coming out, which I've tried the recipes, and I've gone through the cookbook, the schedule, the meal plan, and I like it. So I'm waiting for it to come out. I'm waiting for everybody to get on board with this, and like I tell everybody, read your labels, read your ingredients, track your macros, enjoy this new life, this new lifestyle, and keto on, my friends, keto on.